In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically recall information in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner handling financial tasks yourself, or an accountant looking to streamline your workflow, mastering this feature could save you significant time and effort. Let's start by getting into QuickBooks Online. If you're not already signed in, navigate to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Afterward, you'll choose QuickBooks Online from the options presented. This will direct you to where you can enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password, then click Continue to access your account. Once you're signed in, the next step is to find the Settings menu. This is usually located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Within the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This section is your go-to place for managing and configuring fundamental aspects of your QuickBooks experience. After selecting Account and Settings, a new window will appear. Here, look for the Advanced tab on the left-hand side menu. This contains various features that control more sophisticated functions of your account. Click on this tab to see more detailed options about how your QuickBooks is set up. Under the Advanced settings, you will want to look for a section labeled Automation. Click on it, and you will be directed to a portal where different automation features are available. This is the hub for enabling smarter systems within your QuickBooks, and it holds the key to efficiently recalling information. Now focus on the option that says Pre-fill forms with previously entered content. You'll see a toggle switch next to this option. Go ahead and turn it on. What this feature does is memorize the information you've used before and automatically apply it to new forms, saving you from having to repeatedly enter the same details. This can be a game changer when handling multiple transactions or invoices. After enabling the pre-fill feature, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of this settings panel, and click it. This will ensure that all your preferences are stored correctly, and you'll immediately begin to notice that filling in forms just became a whole lot easier. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set up QuickBooks to automatically recall and pre-fill forms with the information you've already entered. This simple tweak will help keep your processes fluid, minimize repetitive data entry, and ultimately allow you to focus on other pressing aspects of running your business. Thanks for watching.